This is the fifth episode of our Chinmaya algebra series. For this question, we are given that x plus y plus z plus 4 is equal to 1/4 of the product of x, y, and z. We are looking for the sum of 1 over 2 plus x plus 1 over 2 plus y and 1 over 2 plus z. For this solution, I'd like to use a substitution x plus 2 is equal to p, 2 plus y is equal to q, and 2 plus z is equal to r. Using this substitution, we are looking for the sum of 1 over p plus 1 over q plus 1 over r. And if we expand this, we get qr plus pr plus pq all over pqr. This is the expression we want in terms of pq and r. Now the given equation is in terms of x, y, and z. So if we make use of our substitution, x becomes p minus 2, y is equal to q minus 2, and r is equal to, and z is equal to r minus 2. Using this substitution, our given equation would be p minus 2 plus q minus 2 plus r minus 2 plus 4 is equal to 1/4 of the product of x, or p minus 2, q minus 2, and r minus 2. Now the left side easily simplifies to p plus q plus r. We have negative 2, negative 2, negative 2, and 4 on the left side, which becomes negative 2. And the right side, we have to expand this to simplify the product. Now to make the calculation easier, we can think of this as something like a cubic equation with roots p, q, and r. So we can write this as x minus p, x minus q, and x minus r, where x is equal to 2. Of course, we change the position of x and the variables p, q, and r just to make it a little bit more convenient for us. So in exchange, we have to put a negative sign outside. Now we have to expand this product, which we know using our vietas formulas. We can write this as x cubed minus 1, or the sum of the variables taken one at a time, that's p plus q plus r, x squared, plus the sum of the variables product two at a time, that's pq plus qr plus pr times x, and then lastly we have the product of the roots pqr. If we substitute 2, we get 8 minus p plus q plus r times 4 plus pq plus qr plus pr times 2 minus pq and r. Therefore, we have p plus q plus r minus 2 equals this times a factor of negative 1/4. If we consider the factor of negative 1/4, this expression here becomes negative 1/4 times 8 becomes negative 2. Negative 1/4 times 4 times pq and r, or the sum of the pq and r, we get positive p plus q plus r plus, we have pq plus qr, it becomes negative, plus pr, 2 times 1/4, we have 1/2. And this one becomes positive 1 pqr over 4. If we put this here, we get p plus q plus r minus 2. And then we have common terms in the left and right side, so this one cancels out, and the negative 2 as well. So we are left with this and this. And if we simplify that, we get pq plus qr plus pr over 2 is equal to pqr over 4. And then lastly, we can simplify this by using cross multiplication and division. So this becomes PQ plus QR plus PR over PQR is equal to 2 over 4, which we simplify to 1 half. Therefore, the expression that we want is actually equal to 1 half. So that's it for this video. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching and please subscribe for more content.